package from Line Friends that where you could pick your own character. And I decided to do an unboxing, see what the mystery item is also. Because I know I get three items. I get the COOKY plush and the fan. Oh, and I also got COOKY. So, and the reason it's already like open like this is because my mom opened it earlier. So I'm just gonna see what it is first. So let's see right off the bat what first thing is. Oh. Okay, so I guess this is the COOKY pillow. Guess they vacuum sealed him so he could ship easier. See if I could open him. COOKY. Ooh, the rest off. The rest off, did they say? See, I always wanted one, but I never thought to get one by itself. It's bigger than I thought it would be come in. I also thought this was going to come in an actual box, but that didn't happen, obviously. So this is the size of my hand. Obviously, COOKY. It's like tall. Really soft. I finally get one. These are originally like $42 and this whole package was $50, so it was a really good deal. So there's one item. I knew I was gonna get this one, so. Oh, there's little stickers. I think it says what size he is actually too. It says bunny with a twist who dreams of being strong. Cute. I think this is the 16.5 one. Not positive. This was another thing that I knew was gonna come in here. This is the BT21 fan, which is perfect for right now because it is hot outside. I literally came from work and just grabbed this package straight off the bat. And just open and see how it looks like in this person, not just the box. Probably gonna cut myself. Okay. There we go. Stand. I think it's battery operated if I'm. Oh, cute! It's got the little tush. Does it work? It does. Oh, it's chargeable. Okay. I'm silly sometimes. It goes like that. You could just charge it, and it's. Does it got? Oh, it's got different settings. Okay, it's got 3 settings. It's got like this mild one, a little bit stronger, and then the strongest one. It looks like this is fine, obviously. Okay, so that is the fan. Now the mystery item that I got looks right here. Alright, it looks like it is a neck pillow. Cool. Use all the wild noises. Cute, it's just a soft. It's got the little hood. Cute. So soft. It's as soft as these right here. So this is the mystery item that I didn't know I was gonna get. So pretty happy with it. If I ever travel, I have a neck cushion. Good to know. And it's got a little hood, so it's become a sock if you don't want to talk to people on the road. So yeah, that was my BT21 unboxing, or unbagging, if you will. Sorry it's not a long video, but it's a video up, and I thought people would like to see what will come in their BT21 character box if they ordered one as well. So you get the fan, the plushie, and in my case I got a neck pillow as the mystery item. Thank you guys for watching. If you guys like our videos, make sure you like and subscribe, and to follow us on all our social medias. Bye!